Boom! Hey guys, Colin here from CH Gadgets, and you wouldn't believe what just came in the studio today. Boom! The Infinix ZERO 35G. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to do a really quick unboxing and see what comes in the box and which color did we get. And then after that, we're just going to jump right over into my first impressions. Let go. Alright, so let's unbox this thing and see what is up. Okay. So far, so good. Let's see what else is inside the box. Oh, okay. So you get a SIM card ejection tool. Nothing fancy, it's a regular degular. Get an Infinix warranty card. You get a nice case to get you started. There you go, you get a Type-C to Type-A USB cable. And there you go, we get that Infinix 68 watt supercharger, 11 volts, 6.2 amps. Crazy. All right, let's see what this thing is working with. Let's see which color we got. Ooh, this feels so nice. Ooh-wee. Boom, there you go. We got the Rome Green 256 gig, 12 gigs of RAM, Infinix ZERO 35G. All right, real quick. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fire this thing up, set it up, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna let you know what's up. So I finally set this thing up, and so far I can tell you that I am completely impressed with how it feels. This display is absolutely beautiful. It's liquid. Absolutely liquid. Let's jump my phone. You can see it's XOS version 13 on top of Android 13 with all the specs. Infinix ZERO 35G. And I have to say, this thing feels absolutely premium. If you didn't tell anyone that this is a mid-range phone, they would never know, because it absolutely looks like a flagship phone. It feels premium like a flagship phone. This Rome Green color, I believe, is the best color out of all three, with that gold accents, those big bezels around the cameras, 108 megapixel, 13 megapixel, and that 2 megapixel with the flash. We're talking about 256 gigs, 8 gigs of RAM, a 50 megapixel front-facing selfie camera that can shoot up to 4K 60. Most people don't know, but a lot of phones, they can't do 4K 60 on a front-facing selfie cameras. Some are just destined for 1080p 60. Some can only do 4K 30. This one can do 4K 60 on a 50 megapixel front-facing selfie camera. So we're definitely gonna put that to the test. You can watch my full impressions video. It's probably gonna pop up right here somewhere. But so far, this was just an unboxing video. I'm gonna put my SIM card in this thing. I'm gonna put it through its paces, and I'm gonna let you know if it's worth your time and money. If you wanna see my first impressions, click right here and make sure you subscribe to see more content on the Infinix ZERO 35G. All right, let's go watch that first impression video. It's probably gonna pop up right here. Let go.